Okay, so this is a short video on the different types of correlations, okay? Correlation being how one variable relates to another one. First thing, set your graph up. Make sure you put your independent variables on your x and any dependent variables on your y. It might be hard to tell in a situation what is independent and what one's dependent, but you try to figure out which one is causing the other one to happen. Okay, so once you get that set up, you're going to have different types of scatter plots that are going to show up. If it's trending upwards, it's called positive. If it's trending downwards, it's going to be called negative. If it's all over the place, then there's no correlation whatsoever. Okay? Now we can talk about the strengths of the correlations. You can have strong positive, you can also have strong negative. You can have moderate positive or moderate negative, where it's kind of a little bit spread out. You can have weak positive or weak negative. You can have it, if it's perfectly in a straight line, it can be perfectly linear positive or perfectly linear negative. How we can tell how it goes from strong, moderate, and weak, there's actually a numerical value that tells me exactly the strength of that relationship. And that's called the Pearson's product moment correlation coefficient, also known as just the Pearson's correlation coefficient or correlation coefficient. We use the letter R to denote that. And R, which tells me how strong the relationship is, will go from -1 to +1. It has to be within that range. -1 being perfectly negative relationship, linear negative, and a perfect positive straight line will give me +1. And if your R value is between 0.0 and a quarter, 0.25, it's considered very weak relationship. 0.25 and 0.5 is considered weak. Moderate is from 0.5 to 0.75, and anything bigger than 0.75 is considered a strong relationship. Okay, so we actually have that a way of telling how strong the relationships are. Okay, short little lesson on correlation. Thank you very much.